iOS 14 doesn't officially launch until the fall, but Apple is giving users a way to test it out.
Rich Shamiro joins us now from home in today's TechSmart to tell us all about it. Rich, good morning.
Hey there, good morning to you, Chris. Good morning to you, Megan. That's right, this is through Apple's beta software. This is a public beta that anyone can install on their iPhone, but I don't recommend it because there could be some issues with the software. But I put the new iOS 14 on a test device, and today I'm showing you some of the new features coming soon to the iPhone. iOS 14 brings some of the biggest changes to the iPhone yet, like home screen widgets and an alphabetical list of all of your apps. Right now, anyone can test it out, but be warned, before you install, this software is not ready for prime time. Don't put it on a phone that you need to rely on. There are lots of fun new features, but battery life has taken a nosedive. Now, a look at some of the coolest new features. Like widgets, drag and drop them on your home screens for info at a glance. And if you're sick of organizing your apps, no need to. You can now hide home pages you don't want, and you can have Apple put your apps into automatic folders, even an alphabetical list called the App Library. A new real-time hearing feature lets you see if you're listening to your headphones too loud. You can set a double or triple tap on the back of your phone to activate a shortcut, like taking a screenshot. And prepare for emoji overload. With one tap, you can see which words are replaceable in your texts, or search for emojis by keyword. Finally. In Notes, pause after drawing a shape to make it perfect. And in Messages, you can sort to see all the text from people you don't know, businesses, and spam. Privacy is everywhere. iOS 14 will tell you when apps snoop on stuff you've copied to your clipboard. It will also let you know when an app accesses or recently accessed your camera or microphone. And you no longer have to give apps blanket permission to your entire camera roll. You can limit their access to just one pic. You know, maybe to spruce it up a bit before posting. We won't tell. Okay, so after playing with iOS 14 for the past couple of weeks, I can say some of my favorite features actually have to do with privacy, specifically the fact that you can now share your approximate location with apps instead of your precise location. So that's just one more way to put some privacy between you and those developers. If you want to learn more about iOS 14, you can go to my website. It's richontech.tv. By the way, this launches in the fall for everyone. And Chris, I could definitely see you going through your little texts and like putting sun and moon and burger.
You know him so well.
I am the emoji guy. I am definitely the emoji guy. Certain emojis I like better than others.
Yeah.
All right, Rich.
Have you ever seen those? Rich has seen those, like on Twitter. Sometimes it'll pop up and say, "Tell us your first 5 emojis," like when you go into your phone, because that says everything about you. Have you ever? You've heard that before,
or
right?
You start typing something. Start typing something and say like, what's the third word that comes up when you say like, I'm a, and then see what the autocomplete is.
Right, the autocomplete is. But I'd love to know what your most common. Actually, I know what your most common.